Hi everyone. Can you turn on your video? Yeah, we are about to start our class. So yeah, welcome back to today's lesson. It's a beautiful Saturday. Yeah, I just want to check, have you done with your WA?
Yes,
Yes, have you gotten your results?
yeah,
Okay, that is eating, right? Okay. Yes and no. So yes or no. Okay, never mind. The response you type in the chat function actually comes to me. Yeah. So just to share with me lah. Hmm. So whatever you type here, is only meant for me. So means classmates were not able to read your messages. That's the thing I got to let the drop-in students to know. Okay, so feel free if you want to share anything with me, but your classmates will not be able to see, so you cannot send messages to them. That's the thing. All right, Yinsi, how about you? Yes and no means, yeah. Can you let me know if you can share with me? Kirina. Hello, Kirina. Okay. No problem. All right. Okay. So I came to know that not many of them do their work. Okay. So if you have done your work in on a printout, you need just key in these answers onto the system. Now the system is still open. Okay, you can key in anytime from now. Go to key in before my lesson starts. Okay, okay. All right. So just to have my slides, let me show you. Ayo, okay. Mm, Chat function. Everyone can turn on your video. It's compulsory. Okay. Kaden, are you in at home? All right. If not, everyone should be turning on your video. Please show your face clearly so I can know whether you are there or not. Yunxi, I need to see your face. Okay. And you may raise your hand, but then sometimes if I teach, you miss your hand. So if you want, then probably you got to type in the chat function. If you need to go to the toilet, please do so. Yeah, just key in the message and then just go. No worries. Okay. The only thing I need to tell you is to try not to scribble anything that's on the PowerPoint slide here. That means the presents slides. Okay, let's go to today's lesson, lesson 35. Okay, and our lesson objective for today is to find the solid figures like prisms, cylinders, okay, and other shapes. Okay, so before we start, probably I'll go through some of the formula that we are supposed to know. Okay, first thing first, if it comes to a circle, we will use the word pi, right? So pi comes in various form of value. It can be a calculator pi. Okay, so if let's say the question doesn't say anything, so we'll take it as a calculator pi. The given to you, then you take 3.142, or if you're given 22 out of 7. Okay, so there's one mathematical term that I want to cover also. It's called the cross section. This has been covered last week. Okay, now the cross section is a uniform area if there is a solid figure. For example, we have a cylinder like that. Okay, cylinder. So this is called the cross section. Okay, the reason for this cross section is because you see, if you were to cut it down into slices, this area for the next piece of the slice will be the same. So they must be uniform. Okay, so this is called the cross section. Okay, let me see. I hope everyone is seeing my slides, just to tell you. Yeah, lor, some of them have exams, I know. Okay, I understand. Okay, never mind. Just to highlight to you lah, the importance of keying in so that I know whether you know the subject, the topic or not. Okay. Area of trapezium is half sum of parallel sides multiplied by height. Okay, that's the area. Then if you want to find the volume of the trapezium, then you must have a extended height of the trapezium, with the solid, not the trapezium. Okay, then you multiply the height to find the volume. Okay, parallelogram is the base of the parallelogram multiplied by the perpendicular height of the parallelogram. Okay, something like this. Not the slant height, This is called the perpendicular height. Okay, this is called the slant height. Different, all right? Then this is called the base parallelogram. Okay, now what is a throw? Is something like that. And then you have this. Okay. So this is the area of the diagram for a throw. So how to find the area of this volume of this row? Again, you need the cross section of this parallelogram, and then you need to multiply by the height, the uniform height. You know that if you keep it stand upright, that is called the vertical height. No T, sorry. Okay, so this will be based on the uniform base area lah. I will name it as. So this uniform base area for this instance is the trapezium. Okay, and then multiply by the height. So this is the height. Okay, area of circle, all will know, pi r square. Volume of a cylinder, pi r square multiplied by the what? Vertical height. This is called the vertical height. Okay, that's the volume of the cylinder. Okay, in this chapter, you are also asked to find the surface area of a cylinder. So it depends, surface area of a solid. So it depends really on the shape. Okay, but the one I particularly wanted to go through is this called cylinder for this base surface area, right? So to find this surface area, first of all, you must know whether there is a top and a base or not. So they come to two circles. So here and here. Okay. Another thing here is that you have a curved body. So how to find this area of the curved body here? Okay, curved body means this thing here. So curved body will be pi d multiplied by height. Why pi d? Take a look. The circumference here is the top, right? Not the circumference, the circle. Okay, so you need to find the circumference of this circle first. Why? Because when this circumference, when you tear it apart and you lay it flat, it becomes a piece of like that, rectangular, where this is the height. And this height is actually belonging to this so-called height. So this is pi d times height. Okay, so that is the pi d multiplied by height. Okay. Oh, congratulations. That's very good. Wow. Let me congratulate this student. Keep it up, Yeah, thank you so much for sharing this piece of good news. Yeah. Okay. Okay, let's start with question number 1. An open top. What is the keyword here? Open top. Cylinder container, which is this one referring to, of water. So it is filled up. Okay. It has the same volume as the solid in figure 2. So this is called a throw. Okay. Now, it is given that the radius of the cylinder is 7. So radius is here. Radius 7. And the cross section of the throw here is a trapezium with dimensions given to you as base 16. Here, the parallel sides is 16. The other one 7. WV 17 and vertical height is 8. Find the volume of the throw. Okay, now for this, I put the PTO. It stands for please turn over. Turn over means the next page. Okay, PTO is an abbreviation. So I need space, that's why. So where is the throw here? Remember just now we have mentioned the throw is here. And we need to find the volume of this solid. We will have to find the area of this trapezium. Half sub of parallel sides multiplied by the height. Okay? All right. Now, students, please help yourself this. I know many of them is giving reasons like this week is busier. All right. I understand that. So many of them have not done their homework. So why not this way? I want everyone to take out your calculator, follow me through closely, give me the answers through the chat function. Okay, whatever question I ask, please respond there. So to make you understand better so that you can actually apply it when you come to schoolwork also. All right, this will save you the time for going through the study again. So you take this as the first round, and then subsequently when your school go through or when you do homework, that is a second round for revision. Okay, all right. So first thing first, can I have the answer for this area of trapezium? Anyone? Okay, I will need to extend this. 92, thank you. Okay, so after done with 92 cm square, how am I going to find the volume? I use my 92 multiplied by the height. What do I get the next? Thank you, Jateng. The rest of them, I say I need your answer. Thank you, Hao Lun. Yes. Yeah, a few of them are very diligently helping me. Okay, I won't be checking for the answer, so I really need your help. Okay, now 1564 refers to the volume of this whole throw. The question also mentioned that the volume of the cylinder is equals to the volume of the solid. That's what they say in the question. Okay, if you have the question with you, print out, you will see that. So how to find this volume of cylinder? Mention that half pi r square height. Okay, so this will be equals to 1564, right? So this volume is 1564, this volume 1564. Okay, now why am I writing all this is because they have the same volume right now. So I have half pi r square times h. Sub in a value that you have of the radius 7, h is unknown. So I leave it there first. Okay. Remember, we have to do this. We have to find the height. We have to use 1564. Okay, slowly multiply by 2. Why 2? Because of the half. And then divide by what? Divide by pi 7 square. Straight away, you can use your calculator to find. Did he say pi for any value? Don't have. Okay, so I have 1564. Any answers ready for me? 1564 times 2. And then you divide by calculator pi, divide by 49. Anyone? 10.2. Okay. Thank you. All right. So that is the height of the container here, cylinder 10. Okay, this one I need to also check if divide by pi. Ten 10.1599. Okay. So this is 10.1599. Okay. Okay, divide by this. Okay. What is next now? He is asking for total surface area now, right? So total surface one. Total surface area, where is it? Cylinder. So this is an open top. How I know it's an open top? Because the question says so earlier. Then open top. So meaning to say, I must find the body. Okay. So surface area is only one base area called pi r squared.